To utilize your Bonvoy points, consider the various options available. You can transfer your points to one of the 39 airline partners. And when you do, certain airlines offer bonus miles when you transfer a specific number of points. Another option is to book a 5-night hotel stay, and in return, you'll receive the 5th night free, essentially paying for only 4 nights. Additionally, you can use your points to attend exclusive events and experiences, such as concerts and culinary functions, in cities where hotels are located. Your points can also be redeemed for travel-related expenses, including flights, car rentals, and cruises. Furthermore, you can use your points to purchase products from an online store, which includes gift cards from brands like Uber and Apple, as well as electronic gadgets. Overall, your points can be beneficial for travel and other purchases, offering a range of redemption options.